Finally, we hooked up with the Cajun sensation. Captain Calvin's here. Can't wait to do some bow fishing tonight. What do you think, man?
Oh, man, it sounds like fun. It's been a while since I did some bow fishing. You know, y'all, we down there they bow fish, but they shoot redfish and all. Y'all can't shoot them.
Down where? You're down in Florida.
Well, I'm not used to saying down. I'm as far south as I can get in Louisiana. You know?
There you go.
So yeah, we south, we're further south than us. So, yeah.
We got Captain Travis at the wheel, so we're gonna get this party started. And then we got the wife. Hi, wifey.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it.
So is it on tonight?
You put us on some great fish up north. See, up north. I'm not saying down there, but up north. It's north of us. So this is our turn to put you on some good fish.
Looking forward to it.
Now, if you can hit a mullet, you win. You gotta hit a mullet though tonight.
I'll give it a shot.
See, I won the last time. I don't give a shit what he says. I won.
No, it's just a dumb mullet.
Dumb mullet?
The mullet jumped in
Yeah,
front
come
of us.
on.
It
Give
jumped
me
in
a
front
little
of
credit.
Actually, it's funny about you running shallow water down, you know, up by us, and a lot of times they'll jump in the boat. You hit a school of them, and they'll jump up and wind up in the bushes. You know.
That'll work too.
Yeah.
You're bringing fish home.
Then I take him, hit him on the side, and I win, right?
No.
No.
Yeah, arrow has to be in it.
I can take an arrow and jam it in it.
Yeah, there you go. You got to be very specific with your contests and details.
You ain't ever hunted with a coon ass, did you?
No, sir. All right, so it's game on. So we're going to see who wins, and it ain't going to be him this time. You're not getting the biggest one.
Hey, we'll see what happens.
Okay, we'll see. Stay tuned.
So this is your safety slide right here. This keeps the arrow, like if this line gets tangled up, keeps the arrow from coming back and hit you in the face. So
That's good.
yeah, so you make sure your safety slide's towards the front of your arrow when you put it in the rest. This is the bumper for the safety slide, that little black piece right there. When you put this in your arrow rest, make sure that that bumper is face up, because if it's face down, it's going to hit that roller. The arrow is going to flip in for you, and you're not going to hit what you're aiming at. So make sure that's face up. When you put the arrow on the string, put it underneath that brass knock right there, in between the finger savers. And I like to keep my slide about halfway down the arrow like that. Sorry, I didn't mean to poke in the eye there.
I got another one.
I like to shoot with one finger on top, two fingers on bottom. Shoot however you feel comfortable. Just use your fingertips. Try not to grip it like this. If you grip it like this, a lot of times it'll pull that arrow off the string. You're going to dry fire the bow. It's not going to be good. So just your fingertips. Draw back as far as you can. When we shoot out here, when you see the fish, aim about a foot low, below the fish. All right. So draw back and shoot. Draw back as far as you can to shoot. This sand out here, that arrow is going to get stuck in that sand, so you're not going to be able to reel it in. So just grab that line and give the arrow a good tug. Pull it out of the sand, and then you can reel it in. To reel it in, push this lever straight back, and that little wheel there grabs that line and allows you to reel it in. Woo, don't do that though. Allows you to reel it in. If you push too hard, it reels real heavy. If you don't push hard enough, it doesn't grab that line. So just the right amount of pressure allows you to reel that line in. And it'll reel easier as the night goes. Once that line gets good and wet, it reels a lot easier. So at first it might be a little tough, but
That's what she said.
yep.